Hey guys, welcome back to Project Simon. In today's video, we're going to work on the sills. While off camera, I got the heel board all in. It looked real good, everything lined up down there, which I was afraid that it was not going to at first, but it did. Don't mind that little ugly weld over there. We won't even talk about that. But yeah, so next thing I'm going to do is sand this thing down, get this thing painted inside, get it ready for the seal to go in. Then I'm going to do the same thing to the seal, paint it. Then I'll bring you back when we get to that point. Okay guys, I got it mocked up in here a little bit. It lined up fairly decent down here. I went ahead and whacked it a little bit there to get it flush with that, and then I'll put a bead right there, clean it up. Jack point's going away. I'm going to cut that out and actually weld a square in there. My problem is now this right here. I'm going to have to rebuild me something right here because I don't know exactly what's going on. I'm going to throw the other one on the other side real quick and see how that fits and kind of mock it up from there. But I'm going to have to at least fill in a hole right here and then fill in a hole right there. But yeah, there it is so far. I'm almost afraid it's going to be too far out and it's going to interfere with the A panel, but I don't think it should be. We'll see. I'm going to throw the other one on real quick. But if you notice, this panel kind of warped down a little bit, which is weird. But yeah, I'm going to throw the other one on. Let me see what's going on there. Okay guys, let me show you this side. If you're looking down here, you can actually see the holes and stuff. I'm just going to have to rebuild this panel because I put a new piece on this panel over here too, but I homemade it. And that one there is a Magnum panel, so that's probably why. This one here fits real well. I think I could just run a bead right there and clean it up and then cut this off. So I think I'm going to do the same thing to that one. Once I get the sill on, I'll just cut that little square out and actually make me another panel for that. And then just kind of shape it as I need it. But yeah, we're getting somewhere. Alrighty guys, I got the first layer of paint on the car. Turned out pretty decent. That's just basically just a rust barrier inside of that thing just to keep it from rusting any further. This is not painted because this is where you're going to be doing your spot welds. But yeah, it's looking good. Next thing on the list is doing the back of that, which will be fun. Alrighty, bring you back. Alrighty guys, got that side painted. Gonna let these dry overnight, and then tomorrow we'll start putting this sill on. I think I decided that I'm gonna do one side at a time. That way I don't screw up. But yeah, it's all painted up, ready to go. It's painted up, ready to go down there, so tomorrow we'll be putting it on. Okay guys, we're back. I got all this in. Welded. I blew out a little bit right here. This is weird because this is actually thinner back here than it is in the center. Kind of strange, but I got it all leveled in there. Off camera I drilled all the holes, as you can tell. And then now all we're gonna have to do is sit here and tack a bunch of bazillion little holes. But yeah, I'm gonna start that and I'll bring you back. Alrighty guys, I got it welded in there. Plug welds still don't look real decent, but they hold, and that's all that matters. They're not going anywhere. I'll hit the grinder on them and get them all cleaned up. I still had to do a little spot here and get this thing off and plug it and then figure out what I'm going to do with the front here. But yeah, it looks real super good. I'm quite pleased with it. But yeah, it's stuck in there real nice. I didn't get it hot and didn't warp it, so kind of worked out. But yeah, next thing on the list is to clean it up, get this thing on here, weld that little spot there, and then we'll be finished this side. But I got a dinner date tonight, so I'm gonna clean up for now, but I'll add a little bit more to this video when I get back starting on it, probably tomorrow. Hey guys, we're back. Got this all cleaned up and primered. It's looking pretty good. I still got to put a little spot in here. I gotta weld in a little spot right there, and I'll probably clean these up a little bit more. I just got sick of sanding. But yeah, it's looking good. It's starting to turn into a car. But yeah, I still got this to kind of figure out too. We'll work on that next. But yeah,